This will look amazing! Time to strike a pose! So pretty! Okay, let's check! Oh! Look at my face! It's so funny! Ah! I think I know what to do. I'll make a fake screen. I'll stick it right here. That looks so natural, no one will ever know.
Good morning, class. I'll check the topic we're studying. Huh? What a nonsense.
It's working.
What's wrong with this? Come on, work!
That is a classic.
Stupid technological garbage! Wake up! No! What have I done? My expensive laptop!
Oh, that's not good.
What am I going to do now? It's soaked! I took out a loan for it! Wait, what's that?
I can totally explain!
That's it! Detention! Stop! No food!
But I don't have food.
Let me check. Something's not right here.
Let's pretend you didn't see that. What can I do with this? Think! I think I've got it. I can use this thick book. It's very informative, but I need to make some corrections. Oh, much better. Now I have my secret stash here. And why I thought that books are boring. Let's do it. I'll put my snacks inside. It's the perfect fit. All done. No one will ever guess.
Stop. What is this?
It's just a book.
This seems very informative. Okay, you can come in.
Thank you. I knew that would work. Let's do some reading.
Okay, guys, let's start the lesson. Get your textbooks ready.
Already done. It's so good. I'm so thirsty. Oh.
My hair!
Whoa! Oops, sorry.
Detention! And units of breath mint. Where's my hair?
I know what to do. Wow. It's such a beautiful color. It'll be perfect on me.
Give me that. No makeup in my class.
Aww. Look at that. That's just what I need. A glue? Nice and quiet.
Now, where are my second glasses?
Just in time. It's handy. Having superpowers. Ah, got it. Now I need to get to work. Oh, I can use it. I'll pour the glue into the pencil case. And I'll fill the bottle with my foundation. This is so sneaky. That should do it. But I'll need makeup sponges. I'll hide them in my notebook. Actually, I can use this glue. I'll drizzle it on the page. Then stick the sponges to it. A little foundation. And then I'll dab it on my skin. That's better. Just a little more. I know I look amazing. It feels so good. I need more. Need to squeeze it harder.
Huh? What is that? Is that a poop? Get it off! Huh? Who did
She's
this?
coming! Okay. Don't move.
Hey, what just happened?
Detention!
But,
Sorry, pal. Oh my gosh. I'm so bored. Oh, I have an idea. I'll prank her. I need to be quick. I'll stretch the plastic wrap across the door. It's absolutely invisible. Now to get out of here.
A nice mug of coffee.
Just act natural.
Delicious.
Oh my god, this is so tense.
What's happening? This coffee is too strong.
That was perfect.
What the? Why are you laughing?
It's so funny. Uh-oh.
10.
I love candy. I could eat it all day. More, give me more.
No sweets in my classroom.
Oh, but they're mine. No.
Ugh, hate sweets. Yuck. I need to sanitize.
Okay, time for some magic. Let's go. Woo! Let's prank her. Let's open this. And I need to empty it. Oh! This plant will do. I'll dump it in here. The plant looks hungry anyway. Now to fill it up again. Glue will make this a sticky situation. Teacher deserves this. This'll be epic! It's ready? I just need to screw the top on. And put it back. Ha! Unfreeze.
You can never be too clean. This smells different. Wait. Ew! My hands! I need to wipe them. Oh no! Get it up! What is going on? My hair! Oh my god!
This just gets better.
Not so fast. I hope there's no food. What's this? Just as I thought. I'm so disappointed. Candies will remain with me, and you can go to class.
Oh, my candy!
Who's next?
Oh, hi!
No food allowed. Get out of here.
What am I gonna do?
Excuse me, coming through. Oh,
Oops! Look at that! That's one big butt. Oh my gosh! I've got an idea! I'll put my candy into a bowl. There's so much. And it's all mine. Can't forget my gummies. Yes! I'll stick the balls on my butt. I feel like a Kardashian. You know this chick's right here with me. La 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 la. Hey, Principal.
Do you have any food?
Me? Never.
You can go in.
Okay.
Oh, my. Oh, I think I need new glasses. Hand over your phones. No arguing. Give me that. Okay, just give me.
No!
Give me that.
Okay, I have this. It makes my phone look broken. Yes!
Why, you little.
Why?
That's better. Next.
Here you go. Oh, my phone! Look what you did to my phone!
Oh, I'm sorry. Allow me. Take it.
Okay.
Phew, she's scary.
Now I get to keep my phone. I'll just remove the broken wrap. And it's as good as new. I can't live without my phone. Gum. Hey, stop it! Guys, stop! Guys! Please! You're like animals! But look at this. At least I can have the last piece.
Thank you.
Are you kidding me? That's so unfair! I have an idea. I just need to change into my hoodie. Now I know what to do. I'll take a strip of gum, then lick it. I need to wet it. Tastes good. Then I'll stick it to my hoodie. These will be only mine. Wow! Now I can eat in peace!
Can you give me some gum?
Okay, here. Too slow. It's all yours.
Ew, gross. No, thank you.
Whatever.